Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to add clickable links to your social media on your YouTube banner. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add customizable links or clickable links into your YouTube banner on your YouTube homepage. Now, if you're a YouTube creator and you've got a channel, then quite often it's nice to be able to have people to contact you or connect with you on various other media platforms. And some channels actually do a lot better on, say, Facebook or Instagram or whatever it may be than actually they do on YouTube. But by growing the audience on all the different social media platforms, hopefully eventually it should grow your channel and create more revenue for you. So anyway, let's go to the computer and I'll show you how to add these links. Okay, so on the computer we see we've already got all the windows open that we need, and this is my Mike's Unboxing YouTube homepage, and this is the banner which you would normally see. It may look slightly different than what it would look as a returning visitor to the site. There's something to do with Google and the way that it renders it if you're logged in. But basically, this is the bit we're interested in over on this far right hand side. So there is your clickable links. And also in the About section, so if someone's looking at your page and I actually quite fancy getting in contact with them, they'd click on the About page, which is where we are at the moment, and they'd scroll down. Maybe you've got some links actually in your text, but these generally aren't clickable and you would need to copy and paste them. So YouTube actually give you the facility where you can add links. So here we are at the bottom. So we've got Facebook, Instagram, my homepage, my Twitter account, and also our Discord chat server. So how do you edit or add these links? So what you need to do first of all is click on your customized channel. Now, before you do this, make sure obviously you're logged in, and you'll know if you're logged in the top right hand corner, you'll see the icon for your profile. So as long as that's there, that's great. So you can click on customized channel. Now you actually get to this bit from the home page. So your normal login, you'd be here. So just click on the About section. Then customize channel. And now when you go over this area with the links, you've got the pen icon, which is on the far right hand side. So all you need to do is click on the pen icon. And in this section, you could add your custom links. Now you get an option for overlaying the first however many of these links you want on the actual channel art, which is your bar up here, or your banner. They call it channel art, but you can call it pretty much what you like. So you've got options. So say for instance, you just maybe want a Twitter link, or maybe something like Twitch, something like that. I'll show an example. There's a Welsh Tony One's unboxing channel, and on his banner there, he's just got a link to Twitch TV. So again, you can click on that. In his About section, you can also scroll down and he's got links to his other social media outlets. Same for ClickTech UK, Kev there. He's got links specifically to his Twitter, which he actually does very, very well on. So just a couple of examples there on what you can do and what you can add to your channels. So if you go back into my channel, so all you need to do is on the left hand side, you can put in what the link is actually supposed to be for. So in this case, I've got the Facebook link. And in order to get your link, all you need to do is go into your Facebook page and go to your main page and then just copy and paste from your address bar at the top. So highlight it all by holding down the left mouse button and selecting all the text, or however you choose to do it. Right click on it, choose copy, go back into your window, and again I'll get rid of that just so you can see me do it. So this is where you'd normally put your URL. So all you need to do is in that section you can either do the control keys, or you can just right click and choose paste. So there we go, that is our Facebook link added. And essentially it's the same thing for all the accounts. So for Twitter, again, same sort of deal. So go to your Twitter page, highlight the text, right click, copy, go back in, type in what the link is there. Twitter, you must have something in this box. If you leave it blank, it will throw up an error, so make sure you put it in there. And literally, if that would normally be empty, so Control V or right click and paste, and that will add your links. Obviously you can do this for as many links as you like. It will only overlay up to the first 5 on your channel art, but they will actually appear once you've saved it or clicked on done. they will appear on this page here. Again, it looks slightly differently when you're logged in, but if a new user or potential subscriber or a potential social media contact should click on it, then all your links will be set out for them to see. Okay, so there you go. There is how to add customizable clickable links to your YouTube art or your banner page. And also it works for mobile devices as well. So if you have someone view your page on a mobile device, when you actually go into the About section for you, you also get the links for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Discord chat and homepage, as I've got on the PC version. So a lot of people these days are connecting via social media and are connecting via mobile devices rather than PCs. So if you do update the system on your PC, it will be reflected in the mobile version of the app. So there you go. There is how to add clickable social media links to your YouTube channel art. I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video or on social media. Thanks for watching.